Types of tillage. A. Primary tillage. Refers to heavy-duty operations such as ploughing using either a disc plough or mouldboard plough subsoiler, ripper. B. Secondary tillage. Involves light-duty operations such as harrowing using a disc harrow or rolling using a roller or rotavator. C. Minimum tillage is a method of cultivation in which there is little disturbance of the soil. There is no ploughing. There are various forms of minimum tillage, and these include I. Direct planting into residues of previous crop with a hand hoe or planter. 2. Disking of land before planting. 3. Roll and plant. Advantages of tillaging. Little labor is required. Little technical know-how is required. Fewer tillage equipment required. Saves on fuel, not expensive. Mechanized farming. It involves the use of machinery in all aspects of the farm operation. Each operation uses a machine. Advantages of mechanized farming. Farm operations are carried out timelessly, for example, winter wheat planting. Large areas can be worked on within a short time. Large areas can be used to produce crops cheaply. Reduction of labor. Machinery operations are efficient. Problems of pests and diseases are solved easily/quickly. Use of machinery makes work enjoyable on farms. Quality of produce is improved. High yields are obtained because large areas are planted, hence reaping the benefits of large-scale production.